This is a certified pre-owned 2013 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 4,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. With Ford certified pre-owned vehicles, peace of mind comes standard. Featuring a 172-point inspection, 24-hour roadside assistance, vehicle history report, 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty coverage. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, premium rims, auto-dimming mirrors, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Sheehy Ford of Springfield is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 6727 Loisdale Road, Springfield, Virginia.